Hi YouTube, this is my response video. I'm looking at the Ecobit AM1M S2H motherboard, ultra durable. So yeah, there's it in the static bag and the I/O shield and the hard drive data connection videos. So yeah, my first part on my PC build. I haven't built a PC before. Still missing the CPU. I'm waiting for that in the mail. I should be getting it in a few days. So yeah, that's the box. And so here's the box. Pretty cool, ultra performance, low RL7. And this is the slim case, Roswell. And the motherboard unboxed with my dog. It's got a PSU 350 watt, came with the case. And probably gonna install Linux on this. There's a close-up of the connections and the places to screw it in. And there's the case. And here's the Cooler Master case with the GeForce GTX 750 Ti. So yeah, there's the hard drive I installed. The other one I installed a hard drive too. That one from Apple. And Jamie Tech Tips helped me reformat the hard drive to the proper one. And my dog's leaving. So yeah, there it is. Cables for the front of the case. That's the video. Thanks for watching.